Tire rotation explained, keeping your wheels turning. Hello everyone, today we're going to dive into a very useful and practical topic, especially for car owners and drivers. We're talking about tire rotation. What is it? Why is it important? How is it done? Stay tuned as we answer these questions and more, helping you keep your vehicle in top shape. Tire rotation is a simple yet crucial maintenance task for any vehicle. It involves moving the tires of a car from one position to another. Why do this? It's all about even tire wear. Each tire on a vehicle wears differently depending on its position. For instance, front tires carry more of the car's weight and therefore wear out faster than the rear ones. By rotating them, you ensure that the tires wear evenly, which extends their life. Rotating your tires regularly comes with several benefits. 1. Extended tire life. Even wear means you won't have to replace tires as often. 2. Improved performance. Evenly worn tires provide better handling and traction. 3. Increased safety. Well-maintained tires are less likely to fail and cause accidents. 4. Cost savings. Longer tire life means less frequent replacements, saving you money in the long run. A common question is, how often should tires be rotated? The general recommendation is every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. However, always check your vehicle's owner manual for specific advice. Different vehicles and different types of tires might require a different rotation schedule. There are various tire rotation patterns, and the right one depends on your vehicle type and tire wear. Some common patterns include front to rear, the most basic pattern, where front tires move to the rear and vice versa. Side to side, swapping tires on the same axle, usually for vehicles with tires of different sizes on the front and rear. X pattern. This involves crisscrossing tires, front left to rear right, front right to rear left, and is often used for front-wheel drive vehicles. That's all on tire rotation. Remember, regular tire rotation is key to prolonging the life of your tires, ensuring your safety on the road, and saving money in the long run. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Drive safe and take care of your tires.